frozen beach. Check it out.
That's all.
That shit, young nigga gets paid.
We're here in Edgewater.
Yeah. Turn it off. We can go check the park out. See which one we prefer.
Turn right.
I was saying turn right. Oh, that's GPS. So let's cut it off. We know we here. Stop it. We're here at Frozen Tundra. Ooh. Yeah, who goes to the beach in the winter? Us. Ice skating.
You see all them birds sitting out there on the, you see all them birds out there sitting on the ice? Can you see it? I'm asking you.
Yes, baby. I see the birds. I was trying to show the birds to the people. The ice birds. Birdies.
Man, we are up here in Cleveland at the beach. As you can see, it is not water moving. Ain't no waves over here. It's all froze. Look at this shit. It's crazy. Let's go to there. Go get some drone footage. Yeah. Spinning with my hands up.
Yeah, them here.
Spinning with my hands up. Oops.
nice little turquoise.
Look at the birds out there.
Yeah. So there's another beach.
Got all the seagulls out there chilling on the ice. Just chilling.
This one is more rocky. So
Yeah.
Yep. Cleveland, baby.
It's so many and a half hours.
This is the Great Lakes, but it damn sure look like the ocean. You don't see nothing but water.